What if I told you that a single WhatsApp message could automatically recommend personalized skincare products to hundreds or even thousands of customers at once? Let me show you how. So see, right now I have a list of beauty customers stored in my database. Using Pabbly Chatflow, I can send the skincare recommendation template to all of them in just a few clicks. Now here's where things get interesting. The moment customer receives this message and click on the Get Instant Skin Solution button, an AI assistant immediately takes over the conversation. The customers can describe their skin type, concern, or skincare goal in their own words, and within seconds the AI analyzes their requirement and recommends the most suitable products automatically. No manual replies, no beauty consultant required. And you know what is the best part? This AI assistant has been trained using my own beauty brand's knowledge base, which means every recommendation is based on my products, my expertise, and my business information. And all of this is made possible using Pabbly Chatflow. How do beauty brands can recommend the right skincare products to hundreds or even thousands of customers without hiring a large support team? The answer is automation. Let me show you how. I have a list of beauty customers stored in my contact database, and in this video I'll show you step by step how to create this WhatsApp chatbot flow, connect it with an AI assistant, train it using your knowledge base, and automate personalized customer recommendations for your beauty businesses. So let's get started. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I am clicking on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go inside this Pabbly Chatflow, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a chatbot flow, you have to go in this flows feature. See, this is the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. I have already created some chatbot flows before, and for creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. You can use all these buttons for the creation of the chatbot flow. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select the trigger event that I am selecting as template selected. Next, I am choosing the template from here. See, this is the template that I have already created before by the name of Find Your Skincare. So this is how the template looked like. So for creating this type of templates, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Templates are the predefined messages that is used for easy access and scale communication. They are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. For example, I have created a skin recommendation template with a quick reply button called Get Instant Skin Solution. I can send this template to all of my customers at once using this Pabbly Chatflow broadcast feature. By using this, you can create a broadcast WhatsApp campaign and send the templates to your predefined list of contacts. If you want me to create a separate detailed video of how you can send this type of templates to all of your contacts, then comment it. I will create a tutorial for that too. And for creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now we will go back to our flow. See, this template includes one button by the name of Get Instant Skin Solution. Now whenever the user will click on this button, then automatically one AI assistant takes over the conversation. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding a node as assign AI assistant. See, here I have added. Next, I am selecting the AI assistant from this drop down. See, I have already created this AI assistant before by the name of How Beauty Brands Automate Customer Recommendations. Next, here you need to select how the AI assistant should start the conversation. It will provide you multiple options. I am selecting the personalized message. After that, I am entering the message in this field as, "Hi, I'd love to help you find the perfect skincare routine." I'll show you how it will deliver to your users in real time. See, as soon as the user click on this Get Instant Skin Solution button, immediately I received the message. Here I have received this message because the previous flow is working on the background. After that, I am linking this circle which are present in front of Get Skin Solution to this node. And that's it. For this demo, I have only used the Assign AI Assistant node to keep the flow simple and focused on the customer recommendation use case. However, you are not limited to this setup. You can further customize your flow by adding questions, text buttons, list, media, and much more. Using these nodes, you can design the entire chatbot flow exactly the way you want. So feel free to explore these options and create a chatbot flow that best suits your use case. After this, make sure to enable this toggle so that your flow will become active and click on the save button. And now moves to the most interesting part, that how you can create an AI assistant and how you can train them using your business knowledge base. So for that, you have to go in this AI assistant feature, as everything is present inside the single tool. If you'd like this tool till now and you also want to automate your business on WhatsApp, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button and give your AI assistant a descriptive name. I have already created one AI assistant before for the beauty brands businesses, so I'm directly going in this one. See, this is the same AI assistant that I have selected here. Now, after giving the name to your AI assistant, you will successfully come in this page. Here at first, you have to select the instructions type. It will provide you multiple types of instructions. You can select anyone according to your choice. As soon as you can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these instructions if you want to. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set it the temperature as 0.5. You can increase and decrease it from here. Next, the model provider I have selected as OpenAI. After that, here you need to select the AI model variant. It will provide you multiple types. Here I have selected the GPT-4o mini. Next, here in this field you have to paste the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. Once you reach there, on the right hand side above, you will see one option by the name of Create API Key. Once you click on that button and follow all the instructions, you will successfully get this API key. So copy that key from here and paste it in this field. Next, click on this Connect button. Moving forward is the AI assistant settings with multiple options. You can add and set it according to your choice. Here I have only added the fallback message. This is the message that was sent to the user if AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. And if you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like this. For example, I have entered the word here as stop, and the user will send exact that word while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and at that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords work, and the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. Moving forward to the most important part, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. See, I have already uploaded one knowledge base file before, and this is how the knowledge base file looked like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business, as it works like a brain for for your AI assistant. With the help of this, the AI will recommend the accurate suggestions. See, for creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. And the file size should be less than 90 MB. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a new knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one. Now next is the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. See, as soon as I make any change in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to be visible in front of your user. You can customize these settings based on your business. Add the subheading, initial message, and if you want to disable the label, then you can disable it from here. Add footer text, footer link, and the user first message as well. Here in this tutorial, my objective is only to teach you how you can create a chatbot as well as AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. You just need to understand the logic and change the content based on your business. After that, the styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape if you want to. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, enable this toggle and click on the Save AI Assistant button. That's it. You have successfully learned how you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And not only here, you can access this AI assistant on your websites as well by clicking on this button. You have to paste the code of this AI assistant inside your website, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your websites as well. So this is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. It's a complete combination of AI assistant, chatbots, WhatsApp broadcasting, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Go and try all of these amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow. The flow will work for your business 24/7 even when you are sleeping. It works on real time, give instant replies to your users. See, I'll show you how it will work. As soon as I send the messages, I have acne problems. See, immediately it recommended the solution. Let's try another one. Which product should I start with if I am new to skincare? Then it respond to me like this. And not only these, this AI assistant can also answer customer questions related to different skin concern, skincare routines, product usage, and other beauty related queries based on the knowledge base you have provided. So instead of manually replying to every customer, you can let AI handle conversations and provide instant assistance 24/7. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding any of these setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you also want to build similar AI powered WhatsApp automation for your business, then make sure to explore Pabbly Chatflow and start creating your own chatbot flows today. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.